Hi, I'm Doug from Antler Quilt Design, and I'm here today at Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm going to show you how to baste a quilt and get it ready for quilting using a hair marker. What we're going to need is we're going to need our backing that is larger than our top, and we just have a small topper here, but normally your backing is going to need to be 4 inches on all 4 sides larger than your top. You're going to need a piece of batting, and we just have Quilter's Dream batting. Then you have your piece top. What we're going to start with is we are going to start with holding down our backing. And we just have some tape here. And for now, you can just do the 4 corners. And I just go over the corners at an angle. And the bigger your backing is, the more pieces of tape that you're going to want to need to use. Now, as you can tell, I didn't pull on the backing. You want to make sure it's flat. You just don't want to pull on it so when you take it up, it bounces back. That would not be good. Then you're going to lay your batting down and center everything the best you can. And that you can just press out. And I always press out from the middle. And pull off any threads that you have on your batting, especially if you're using scrap batting. You have some threads on there. You want to make sure you get rid of them. Then you're going to put your top on and make sure you put pretty side up and center that the best you can. And again, press out from the middle. And again, you don't want to stretch. You just want to press it down so it stays in place. The next we're going to use is our safety pins. And the safety pins are going to hold it in place as we quilt, and you're going to remove them as you go. You're going to want to place the safety pins in kind of the indirect way that you're going to stitch. We are going to stitch from corner to corner on our square, so we're going to make diagonal lines. So we're going to place these kind of in the center of the blocks, and then we'll just remove them as we go. So you're going to start in the middle, and you're going to work your way out. And for a little topper like this, you don't have to do every square, you can do every other. But on a big quilt, you don't want quilting anything left bigger than your palm of your hand. That's unbasted. And you're going to want to make sure you go through all 3 layers. Your batting, your backing, and your top. And now after your whole top is basted, we're going to use our hair marker. And a hair marker is from Clover. And it has a really nice fine edge on here. And then we're going to use a quilting ruler. And this just happens to be Itsy Bitsy 8th from Lisa Bonjean. And we're going to use the edge, and we're going to line the edge of the ruler on the points of our blocks. As you can see, you line it up here. And we're going to use our hair marker. And we're just going to press down. And when we press down on our quilt sandwich, and you just kind of repeat yourself 1 or 2 times over there. As you can see, there's a crease line. And that line will go away, but that is going to be our stitching line. Then you're going to repeat that process on your quilt top. And I would say just to mark about 2 or 3 lines, and then you're going to want to go stitch. Don't mark your whole quilt because the lines will come out as you quilt. So there I've marked 3 lines, and it just creases it enough so you can see it as you go. And now we're ready to quilt.